Did you know flour tortillas are incredibly easy to make at home? They require no yeast and minimal kneading. To make them, whisk together 2 cups of flour, 1¼ teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Add 1/4 cup of softened butter and use a fork to cut it into the flour. Add 2/3 cup lukewarm water and stir until you have a sticky dough ball. Using flour as needed, knead briefly, then divide the dough into 5 equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball, cover with a tea towel, and let rest for 30 minutes. Using flour as needed, roll each ball into a 12-inch round or as thinly as possible. Working with 1 round at a time, transfer to a hot, dry skillet and cook for about 30 seconds aside. Repeat the process until all the tortillas are cooked. You of course can make smaller taco-sized tortillas too, but I love the larger size for making breakfast burritos with chive scrambled eggs, cheese, and a little hot sauce.